I had just sold my GoPro Hero 9, thinking about upgrading to the Hero 11, and then DJI Osmo Action 3 was announced, and wow, I was like, all right, this looks great. They've got this quick release system, the 3 battery package, and also, which to me was so helpful, in being able to see what I'm recording on the app. And so was ready to purchase it, and then I started seeing videos coming back by people that were using the camera saying, there's an issue here with the video quality and blurriness. So then I really was waiting to see what should I do, and then people were trading in their cameras, got a replacement, still an issue. So for me, I ended up going with the Hero 11. And today, not only want to share with you about that I got the Hero 11 and the accessories, but I want to share with you, if you are looking for a quick release system with the 11, I'm going to show you what I've been using, and it's great. So bear with me on this video. If you have any questions as well, let me know. And I will also be sure to put a link to these products, to the accessories that I'm going to share with you in the description as well as in the comments section below. So let's go ahead and open it up. I'm going to get it set up. I'm excited. I've got a trip coming up and I'm looking forward to using it with that. And there we go. Got the Hero 11. Gonna upgrade that. Now, as far as the accessories, which is one of the things that I wanted to share with you, that why the thing that attracted me to going with the DJI Osmo Action 3 was that quick release system, which seemed that a lot of people like it. But there are some great options for people today for the Hero 11 and what you can use. Now, this is a great package, by the way, and if you're going to buy it on the website, I do recommend getting the subscription because you also, 1, get the accessories discounted, but 2, if you ever have any service issues, then you get to take advantage of working with them. And my experience overall has been very positive as far as working with GoPro and speaking with them. So here we are. I'm excited about the 11, certainly over the 9. I did get to try out the 10, and the 10 was definitely a big improvement over the 9 to me in the speed and having that screen where it wasn't delayed on the front screen when you're recording. But what I really wanted to share with you is not really a whole unboxing, but, and let me share this with you. This does come with the package that I got, and you can see the latest. And I do recommend getting the Enduro batteries. I was using those on the 9 and definitely saw a big improvement versus the regular batteries on the 9. So this is a great deal too. So it comes with 2 Enduro batteries plus the charger and then a 32 gigabyte memory card. Now, as far as doing the quick release and what I really like about going with this system here, and this system, which I'm going to share with you here, for example, and I'm going to show you a number of accessories that I have. This is Ulanzi, and again, I'll put a link in the description as well as in the comments section below so you can check it out and you can see if it would be a good fit for you. And this works really well. So if you're looking for a quick release system, you don't have to worry about keep unscrewing and screwing on the camera to different tripod accessories. This works really well. So let me go ahead and make sure that it's on there. Now, so it's got a magnet piece on top, and this just snaps right in there and it locks in place. So if you have multiple accessories that you're going to use, all you need to do is just go like from one piece to another. You don't have to worry about unscrewing. It's just a quick turn. And again, just putting that on. If you also, let's say that you have a chest piece, and I've got this one here, you can also just put this on the chest piece and you are good to go. Let me see. There you go. So very quick and very easy. So if the quick release was a concern for you as far as GoPro, this is a great system. Again, Ulanzi, I've been using this for a while and it has worked like a charm. So that is that. This is also another accessory that I like as well. This is called the Small Rig, and it does come where you can buy it with the clamp. So if you wanted to record something, let me go ahead and tie this on. You can easily adjust with this turn of this knob here, and then you can turn it and adjust it multiple ways. And again, once again, you can just put that on there quickly and easily. It works so well. Now, some of the other accessories I ended up getting the media mod, which I highly recommend. When I sold my 9, I sold my other media mod. Definitely would recommend the media mod. I also ended up getting the light mod, which I'm going to use this time. And I also picked up this Casey light casing to store my GoPro or some accessories that I might take on the go. It's a lot smaller than I thought, but, and you can see it's got a little bit of a divider section in there that you can use for your accessories. So you could probably put it one of two ways. You can have it going right across the middle, and then you have those two sections, but it's very small. You'll probably be able to get a handful of accessories, but it may work. We'll have to play with it and see how I like it. My initial thoughts are it looks really small. But anyway, I wanted just to share this with you. If you are thinking about going the GoPro and that quick release system was important to you, you know, this is a great way to go. So check it out. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. And looking forward to using the 11 and taking advantage of some of the new features and capabilities with shooting videos and photos with it. So appreciate you joining me today. Have a great one. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.